Most people think the 2026 Lexus LC 500 belongs in a climate-controlled garage, not rush-hour traffic. But one owner just crossed 200,000 miles in 4 years without a single major repair, and that changes everything about owning a $100,000 coupe. Welcome back to AeroNext Auto. If you've been shopping for a luxury coupe that won't punish you every time something breaks, you've probably heard the warnings. German coupes need dealer visits like they need premium fuel, and exotic maintenance costs more than most people's car payments. But the 2026 Lexus LC 500 rewrites that entire story. For 2026, Lexus dropped the hybrid and went all in on the naturally aspirated V8. Let's talk about what nobody mentions when they review this car: long-term ownership comfort. Here's the number that separates the LC 500 from every BMW 8 Series and Mercedes SL. Matt Prittamore drove his 2019 LC 500 over 200,000 miles in just 4 years with 0 major mechanical failures. That's 50,000 miles per year. Most people wouldn't even consider daily driving a 6-figure coupe to the grocery store. This guy commuted cross-country in his. No transmission replacements, no engine rebuilds. The only complaint? Stone chips on the front bumper, which he solved with a wrap. Meanwhile, comparable German coupes at 100,000 miles are throwing check engine lights like confetti. The LC 500's 5.0-liter V8 and 10-speed automatic are shared with proven Toyota platforms, which means parts availability and long-term durability that German exotics simply can't match. This isn't a garage queen, it's a tool that actually works. The 2026 LC 500 won't beat a Porsche 911 to 60 or lap faster than an M8, and that's exactly the point. This car prioritizes what you'll actually use every single day: a buttery smooth ride quality, seats you can sit in for hours, and adaptive suspension that soaks up broken pavement without complaint. Former Porsche owners on forums consistently say the same thing. The 911 was more thrilling on back roads, but the LC is vastly preferred for actual daily driving. One owner said his LC is less jarring on rough roads, and his wife actually enjoys riding in it, something that never happened with the Porsche. The LC 500's naturally aspirated V8 delivers smooth, linear power without turbo lag, and the 10-speed automatic has been retuned for 2026 to feel even more refined during normal driving. Lexus built the LC 500 at their Motomachi plant in Japan, using their most experienced craftsmen. Forum owners with 20,000-plus miles report the same thing: rock-solid reliability. The few issues reported are minor, like the old touchpad infotainment system, which Lexus replaced with a proper touchscreen for 2024 and carried into 2026. Compare that to German rivals, where owners budget thousands annually for repairs. One LC owner mentioned planning to put 1 million miles on his car. You'd never hear that about an Aston Martin or Mercedes SL. The LC shares its 5.0-liter V8 with other Lexus models, meaning parts are available and mechanics actually know how to work on it. That's ownership comfort German brands can't offer at any price. In the United States, the 2026 Lexus LC 500 starts at $101,700 USD for the coupe and $109,200 USD for the convertible. In Canada, pricing begins at approximately $138,000 Canadian dollars. Yes, that's serious money, but here's the reality check. A base Porsche 911 now starts over $130,000 USD, and a BMW M8 50i approaches $120,000 USD, and both will cost you thousands more per year in maintenance and repairs. Used LC 500s from 2019 to 2020 trade in the $65,000 to $75,000 USD range with low miles, making them legitimate alternatives to new Mustangs while delivering Bentley-level interior quality and Lexus reliability. For 2026, Lexus offers 200 limited edition Inspiration Series coupes, but the base model comes so well equipped you won't miss the extras. The 2026 Lexus LC 500 isn't trying to set lap records or win drag races. It's designed for people who actually want to drive their six-figure coupe every single day without anxiety about repair bills or reliability nightmares. That 200,000-mile LC 500 proves this car can handle real-world ownership better than anything from Germany. If that sounds like your kind of ownership experience, check the links below for current pricing and inventory. And hit subscribe. We're covering more high-mileage ownership stories you won't find anywhere else.